Cooking on a gas stove is what all of us are used to. But now, the medium of cooking has changed and evolved over time. Induction cooktops and induction stoves match the needs of the requirement of today's lifestyle. You can precisely control the cooking temperature, set timers, and also select from the preset menus as per your choice of dishes. These induction cooktops not only help you cook food faster, but they are also easy to clean. Today, I'll take you on a journey to show how the induction cooker is considered as a cool touch cooking. My name is Amit Tangri, but before that, just to remind you that if you have not subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. So this is my induction cooker and I'll show you how it is a cool touch cooking. I'll put this pan over it and see. I'll switch it on. It has started working. So the area around it is cool. I can touch it easily. But if you see inside, if you're more clear inside, you'll see some droplets of boiling water are there. So the water has started boiling. Now I'll show you an experiment. I'll remove this. Now after removing this, you'll see this, you'll hear a beeping sound which says that there is no pot over it. And what I'll do is I'll put this currency note over it like this, and again put my pan. Now see that beeping sound has gone and the water has started boiling. I'll remove this just to have a more clarity over the boiling water. See, the fumes are coming out. I think this is enough to show you. I'll put it back, switch it off, and if we see what has happened to my note. Oh, it's still there. See. So there are two important things to be noted. First, induction cooking is a cool touch cooking. Secondly, what I'm emphasizing all through my videos and blogs is that it saves money. As you have seen, it doesn't burn your money, but it saves it. So definitely go for it. Thank you.